Right, guys? Away. So if you have not checked, go check the previous video, and then you see how you can turn on your page or your profile into professional mode, or to see if your page is eligible to make some money, monetization. So now what you want to speak about is, now you need followers. You always need to push for your followers, because now I see you can see that you have turned on your professional mode now. Now you have like 3,000 or 4,000 or 5,000 followers, or right. But now you're gonna need to keep following it, so that you unlock more and more bonuses on Facebook. What do you unlock? The E-stars 500 followers. I think when you're on professional mode, now that you all changed into professional mode, you can see that you can very soon you all start earning stars from your friends. They can send you stars, and then Facebook can pay you 1 cent for every star they send to your friend sent you. So, but then we need more followers. 5,000, you unlock something different. In-stream ads, bonus ads on your reels and stuff. Then that you will be paid by, I think, by Meta. Yes, by Zuckerberg. So Zuckerberg is gonna pay all of us. So don't be stingy with your information as well. So you need what? 5,000 followers for that. You need 10,000 followers as well at some point. So for you to keep growing, you need to keep following each other. We need to follow each other. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with your follow. So press follow, like, go to other people's reels as well, other pages as well, like, scroll up. They do the same as well, because somehow we all gonna need to follow each other. If you follow each other, then we all gonna make some money. We all not gonna trouble each other. Yes, let's make some money, right? Away. It's all nice, right? It's nice. So yeah, if you haven't checked, go check the previous video. Go check the previous video regarding how you can monetize your page. You can check it to 10, and some they already 10 from the previous video. So let's now follow each other. Keep following each other. You unlock your bonuses by following each other, right? I mean, so let's keep following each other. 500 followers we have already. I'm sure most of them, after turning on professional mode, you have 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers. You can earn more and more on Facebook. That's why it's very important to follow each other. So let's keep following each other, and follow. This video share as well, so that they will know that you need to follow each other for you to keep making more money and make more and unlock more and more bonuses on Facebook. So share the video, like, don't be stingy with information. Away. Let's keep making some money out in there. Take some pictures. Don't be stingy with your pictures as well. Your phone is gonna be full. Zuckerberg will keep them for you and give some bucks for you. So let's do it together. Let's follow.